'Cause every time that I try to run from your love, it's like I fall right back into your arms. No, I can't live without your touch. No, it's like I can't escape your love. Escape your love.
Right, every Tom, Dick and Harry is telling you how they make millions per month with AI OFM. But realistically, they're just nerds in their mom's basement, making videos and selling PDF courses for 1K a pop. Well, I thought I'd show you a little bit about lifestyle, what your life can actually look like with years of commitment into a business such as AI OFM. And you can go to places such as this with lovely views, lovely apartments, and lots of things to do. That's financial lifestyle is. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not all glitz and glamour. I'm not just going to feed you some fake bullshit. And one important thing to note is that what separates me from a lot of people is that I do not sell a course. I'm not going to just sell you some PDF doc like a lot of these people on YouTube are doing. I actually legitimately make money from this, and I just want to document that process and kind of show off successes, not as a flex, but just to inspire those who are watching, because I know what it's like to be trapped in 9 to 5, and I know what it's like to live a lifestyle that maybe you're not 100% happy with. And I'm going to tell you that as a 23-year-old growing up on council estates in the UK, it is 100% possible to make anything of yourself that you want. If you want to live a lifestyle like this, it's 1,000,000% possible. If you want to go and be a professional athlete, it is 100% possible. I didn't grow up with rich parents or anything like this. I made it happen myself, and the goal is to inspire the masses to do the same, to actually put some work in and show you what hard work can get you. So today, I want to go buy my absolute dream watch. I'm not going to spoil it. You have to stick around to the end to see what it actually is, but it's going to be a journey. I've rented a nice car. I'm going to go down there, drive down there, make a nice day of it, and yeah, hopefully you'll be able to see the watch very soon. So a lot of you watching this may not actually know who I am or what I do. So on the drive, why not give you a little bit of context? So I do what we call AI OFM. It's a business model that was invented on this very YouTube channel over 3 years ago now. You can check back, see all the content that I've uploaded over the years. I have actually been doing this for years. I haven't just jumped on this trend since it's become a trend in the last year. I haven't just jumped on it. We actually invented the business model and actively pioneer our way into the business model. Now, I want to clarify, when I said that I don't sell a course, people will get suspicious. Why are you posting online? Why are you teaching this? Why are you giving free value? Well, I have what's called platform equity. Therefore, I make money when others make money. I make money when you succeed. Meaning, if I teach you how to do this business model to the best of your ability, and I have a free course which will be in the description, and I train you and my team trains you, we actually make money because I own an AI generator. So you're going to continue to subscribe, you're going to continue to make images on that, which I have a very small profit margin in, and hundreds, thousands of people use that AI generator every single day. I have a chatting agency, the largest on FanView. We have over 200 models. We've been chatting for over 2 years on these models, and many other things which allow me to profit from it without actually just selling a PDF course. Now, what is the business model? The business model is effectively where you will take an AI influencer, you'll make a human which is not real on an AI generator, you'll put them on platforms such as Instagram, fucking Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, whatever you can think of, whatever smart way that you think will get followers and will be able to be marketable and gain an audience is what you'll use to market, whatever you're good at, basically play into your strengths. And then via that audience, we will monetize using subscription-based websites or brand deals or anything like this if you want to go super clean. But subscription-based websites, meaning platforms like FanView, OF, all that kind of thing. And you can imagine the type of money that this brings. And I'm going to showcase exactly, how profitable this business model is and why it's been so successful for me for the past 3 years, and why it will continue to be profitable for the foreseeable future. while AI is such a divisive tool that we can use in our day-to-day lives. So stay tuned. Right, so the watch is a yellow gold Rolex Presidential with a meteorite dial. Now, this dial makes it a one-of-one watch. The reason I say one-of-one is because it's not really a one-of-one. It was still produced a good few times, but it's unique. The piece isn't replicated across multiple models. The piece is actually unique in itself because you can't replicate the actual dial. Now, meteorite dial means effectively what Rolex did a good few years ago was they bought a meteorite. I believe it was off NASA, which literally come from fucking space. And it creates this really nice, meteorite pattern across the dial. So millions of years of being in space gives it that pattern. You cannot recreate that on Earth. So it makes it really special. I'm like a fucking kid, I'm really happy with it. And yeah, that's just a bit about the watch from the nerd side.
'Cause every time that I try to run from your love, it's like I fall right back into your arms. No, I can't live without your touch. No, it's like I can't escape your love.
Once again, don't take this video as just someone showing off in Dubai with a watch, because yes, though that's the premise of the video, it is not a flex video for me to show off, what I have. It's more of a motivational video for you guys who are maybe in the trenches. Maybe you're, 1 month in, 1 week in, or even thinking about starting the business model. Maybe something goes wrong. Maybe your Instagram gets banned and you're thinking of quitting. You think this is useless. I just spent a month building up this business model, blah, blah, blah. Well, this is kind of your sign to keep going, because yes, this is years and years of work. And yes, this has been hard work and it's not going to be easy, but anything good in life is not going to come easy. And therefore, this video will just stand as, an attribute of what you can achieve when you actually put yourself in a position where you're able to succeed. That being said, this is the end of this short video. If you want to learn this business model, or if you've just come across the channel by surprise, please do feel free to check it out. I teach this for free all over the channel, and I have a free course in the description, which will also come with a community full of people doing this business model. It's going to teach you everything from AI creation to marketing to monetizing your model on subscription sites. And therefore, it is the most in-depth course on the internet, and it's not going to cost you a single penny. If you're curious, please check out the channel. But hope you enjoyed and stick around.